Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a very highly requested video on doing cornrows from the left hand side, or let me say standing at the side. Okay, it's like a sideways type of cornrows, and I know most of us know how to do the other cornrows where you're doing going behind or standing behind. So people really want to learn about this one, so that is why I'm doing another video about it. And this video is going to be more detailed, and I'm going to tell you the do's and don'ts when it comes to doing these cornrows, especially if you are a beginner. Okay, so as we continue, guys, this is one of my favorite questions and I keep asking. Let me know which country you're watching from, and by the way, from your country, which side do most people use? Like, do people do the cornrows standing at the side or the behind ones? Let me know in the comment section. So anyway, so far we have viewers from Tanzania, from Kenya, from Uganda, from South Africa, Australia, USA, from Ghana. Guys, let me know where you're watching from. Nigeria also, we are here in the house, so we are here to learn together, guys. So let me know in the comment section which country you're watching us from, and we'll be very happy to reply to you. Of course, I read each and every comment, so if you have any questions as we are doing the video, as you're watching it, don't be afraid, just ask it in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer it. Okay, so guys, here I'm going now to show you a very detailed one on how to do this side cornrows. Of course, when you're doing your parting, it's not a must you stand at the side. Okay, this is just parting, but now doing the plating is when now you have to position yourself if you want to learn about this left-handed cornrows. Okay, so guys, I always insist when it comes to parting, you have to invest your time in it. Okay, because if your partings are not neat, of course your hairstyle won't come out neat. Parting is everything. It's like the foundation of every hairstyle. So keep that in mind every time you're doing any hairstyle. That is one tip, guys. Invest in your partings. Okay, so here my parting is already neat and I'm going now to start with the plating. So just watch carefully how I'm doing it, and mostly here the thumb and the index finger are the ones playing the roles most of it. So now you can see how I'm starting. It's like just plating from the side. Like, once you stand at the side, guys, it's going to be very easy for you to just go with the flow. And there's a very repeated pattern here. Once you learn about it, it's just like just alternating these hairs. Okay, when you're adding, just take a look at it carefully. I don't know how to explain it in words really well, but I hope you can just see. But I've already given you the tips that you need to know. Okay, just position yourself very well, and then the rest will just flow. But here you can see the index finger and the thumb, they're playing a very big role in holding the hair. And then now the addition, now you can see, I'll show you in detail, like on my left hand. So here you can see my left hand is at the front, and then my right hand is at the back. So my left hand is playing the role of holding the added extension. Yeah, just watch carefully. The last two fingers, they're holding the extensions first, and then the right hand is just adding, and then now doing the same pattern. Okay, just alternating the hairs until you know what I mean, especially if you already have a little bit of knowledge when it comes to plating. Okay, so that's it. At this point, I hope you've understood how I'm trying to say it. But once you position yourself, everything is just going to be very easy and simple. Just notice how I'm holding them, mostly the fingers that are playing the role of holding the hair, and just like just doing the exchanging. Okay, and it's just a repeated process. It's not that very hard. It's just a repeated process. And you also have a very detailed tutorial, another detailed tutorial on these cornrows, and I'll just put a link in the description box, so guys, you can watch it. Now that one, I think I've explained explained it really well, but this one today I'm going to just explain it and then give the tips and tricks on how to achieve a very good cornrow like this ones. Like this ones, I'm going to call them like sort of a pencil cornrows. So tip number one when you're doing these pencil cornrows is that you need to add hair like little by little. Do not be in a hurry to add it, and I'm going to show you exactly why I'm saying that. So here I'm going to give you an example of a person who's adding a big hair at a time. Like here you can see the piece of hair is very big. So if you add very big hair extensions, let me show you what is gonna happen. Okay, like in the case here what I'm doing. So guys, this one here is just a demonstration of what could happen if you are in a hurry to add the extra extensions. Okay, so keep that in mind when you're doing this type of cornrows. The first thing you need to do is that be careful when you're adding the extensions. Just take it slow, and it depends with the size. But you as a beginner, one easy thing you're going to do is that just add little by little, and you'll see how the results will come out. So look at this one. Now I've done with very like adding them like at once, and you see what is happening here. Like it has formed a sort of a knot somewhere, and it's just not looking that good. It's not even like when it comes to being firm on the scalp, it's not even working, especially if you're a beginner. Unless you pull that hair like really hard, that is how you're going to get a very neat one. But no, you see it's not working. So you just stick to adding very little extensions as you're going. So here, by the way, I didn't mention, like when I'm starting my cornrows, I start with the natural hair first because it's sort of protective. I do not want to pull the edges. Okay, so I just start with the natural hair, and it's less painless. Like there's no pain here. All right, so you can see I started with the natural hair, and then that is when I went ahead and started adding the extensions. Okay, just watch carefully. Now this is a very close one on how it's done. You can even put a slow-mo on it and practice with this video, and once you just get how it goes, it's just a repeating pattern. And once you know how to add the extensions, now everything is just easy. It's very easy, guys, especially if you have a little bit of knowledge on doing the normal lines. Now this one is going to be very easy. Or if you don't know how, if it's going to be very difficult for you to do the cornrows, you can start with the lines only, like just going like how I've started this cornrows just with plain hair. Just go up to the end with plain hair and see if you can learn it, and then now you can come to adding the extra extensions. All right, so guys, here this is all about it. I hope you've learned something, and if you have any question, guys, just leave it down in the comment section. If you have any doubts, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll be happy to help you all. So today I was just going to show you a few things on the cornrows, so I'm not going to show you the full head. Of course, I just finished the rest on my own, and then I did some braids at the back, and what I'm going to show you is just the end product of how they came out. And if you just adhere to the things I've told you right now, like doing very clean partings and being careful on adding the braids, like very small portions, and you're going to get something neat like this one. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've been your host, Lisa, and I hope to see you in my next video. So remember to subscribe, share this video, like this video if it really helped you, and I'll be very happy. So guys, till next time, I hope to see you again. Goodbye.